This is a refactoring tutorial about associating and dissociating fields. It sounds complicated, doesn't it? Don't worry. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. We will add 2 more fields and fill in some data. And we're almost done, like this, and then we have a look at the configurator and make it bigger. So those refactoring functions right now are table internal ones. That's why you will find it in the table name in the configurator. If you make a context click in there, there's the dialog for it. And if we move it slightly out of the way, it looks like this. Thing is, in that table we already have a classification field. In our case it's quarter, because the quarter somehow classifies which quarter we're talking about. And the value field we're talking about is the allocation field. The moment you select those, you can already press the Dissociate Fields button, and now both quarter and allocation fields are gone, but on the other hand, Q1, 2, 3, 4 fields are inserted automatically, and they show up nicely next to the name over here. And the table format looks nicely. You can start entering data or maybe even changing data, whatever you like. So this looks really nice, but it also does have a drawback. The drawback is that those 4 quarters, they do have a relation, so this is sort of redundant, and as a consequence, this also will take away some of the flexibility we might have. So for that, typically it's better having it in the original format. But that's not a problem, we can transform it back easily. And for that, we have to create again a classification field. So before we had one, we had just had to select it. Now we have to create it again. Let's call it quarter, let's call it allocation for the value field. And now we have already those 4 quarters selected from before, because we didn't even close the dialog. We just created those new 2 fields over there, and now we can press the Associate Fields button and watch what happens. It looks pretty similar as it did before. Compared to what we saw in our dissociation, it's a rather poor format. But on the other hand, that's the power of Embrace, that we can bring that in a similar format. And for that, we don't need the configurator anymore. We just take the field list, move the quarter up, and move the name over here. And it's almost that format, except that we will have to take the rank away with that, and then it's also almost that format what we had before. Let's take the name over here and the rank upwards, and then it looks like this. And maybe I do leave the field list open just for comparison and make it a bit bigger. So the perspectives now are absolutely identical in terms of values. It's even nicer because you have the headlines in there, which come from the quarter column header, which we don't have here. We only have it in the status bar, and it's equally flexible. You even see here where you have data inside. So this is a sparsely filled matrix. Here it's densely filled, and the moment you start entering over here, oh sorry, it will show up here as well. So this is way more flexible, and that's why we have those functions inside for dissociating and again hopefully associating fields. And there's more to Embrace, but that'll be another story.